Hello, and welcome to an in-depth weather video. If you like this video, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell to get notifications whenever I post a video. Now, let's go in depth. Here we are on the National Weather Service radar page, still looking at the thunderstorms in the central part of the country. Now, this top portion right here will be moving into the northeast tomorrow, could potentially have some impacts. But these parts of Florida and Texas, we've been seeing like this recurring trend that there's just more thunderstorms after more thunderstorms after more thunderstorms. So, and that's kind of summer in the south, especially in the places that are very hot and humid, such as Texas and Florida, among others. So that's why the SpaceX launch got scrubbed. We might be seeing some more problems on Saturday. It's just because you can predict thunderstorms. Sometimes you just can't predict how strong they become. Now, speaking of thunderstorms, here we are, the M300 model. Let's just click through here quickly. Now, you do have this low pressure here that might be causing some storms in the northeast part of the country, but mostly in the Midwest, Southeast, those will be more of the thunderstorms. But then now getting into Saturday is really when the Northeast will, Friday night to Saturday morning. We're right on the line there, because 4 Zulu is midnight Eastern time, so it's right around Friday night, Saturday morning. That's really when you're going to be getting your thunderstorms in the Northeast. Now, Saturday, for the SpaceX launch, here's what's happening. This is 8 p.m. But you start to see thunderstorm development starting at 4. Now, if this starts to happen an hour or so early, or even a couple hours early, we could be seeing some problems. But currently, 3 o'clock is looking fine. 3 to 4 looking fine over Cape Canaveral. Now back to here. West Coast storm still moving on the coast here on Friday to Saturday. Now that's going to move basically straight north and into Canada. So, getting into Sunday, we could have a relatively dry day across the country, which could be good, could be bad, who knows. But it does seem like a nicer day when it comes to rainfall, especially in the soaked central part of the country. Absolutely soaked. So, good news is looking upon us. We just gotta get there. A few more days, then it's Sunday. And then Monday is the start of hurricane season. Every year on June 1st is the start of hurricane season in the Atlantic Basin. Now, tropical cyclones is the broader term for hurricanes. Do you want to know what tropical cyclones are? Do you want to know the anatomy of tropical cyclones? Do you want to know the ingredients that form tropical cyclones? And do you want to know what to expect if you're hit by a tropical cyclone? Then tune in Sunday morning, 8 a.m. for deep dive tropical cyclones where I go in depth on all of those questions. Mark your calendars. Sunday, May 31st, 8 a.m., premiering on YouTube.